2020 sees the FT Commodities Summit return to Singapore, and we're delighted this time to be collaborating with Enterprise Singapore to bring you an unparalleled lineup of speakers to discuss the big issues and topics that are facing the commodity trading industry, not only in Singapore, but across the region. Now, as you'll all be aware, 2020 has been a year that commodity traders in Singapore and across Asia are not likely to forget. Tested by the coronavirus and oil prices that crashed into negative territory, they had to draw on all their experience to navigate unprecedented market conditions. This threw up a number of challenges, not least with a number of smaller trading companies experiencing financial troubles, which have since been revealed to include financing scandals. This has put pressure on regulators in Singapore, but not only that, but the global banking sector. And we've seen a number of lenders pull away from the commodity trade finance area, further pressuring some of the smaller players in this space. But while we want to use this conference to look at what has happened in 2020 and the impacts that it'll have going forward, we also want to cast our gaze much more widely and look at the big structural issues that are really going to be affecting the sector over the next decade, 2 decades, and out to 2050. Where there are an increasing number of pledges from big energy companies, big natural resources companies to be net zero. So we're going to be asking some of the leading names in the industry for their thoughts on the energy transition, sustainability and transparency. These issues, together with new technology and access to finance, are forcing companies in Singapore and across Asia to think hard about their place in the world, how they adapt their business models. Of course, against a backdrop that has been reshaped by the pandemic. So please join us on November the 2nd and 3rd for the FT Commodities Asia Summit in collaboration with Enterprise Singapore.